Borrowed an ebook from your library through OverDrive and ended up with an OTE file? This is a DRM-protected ebook format for digital library lending. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to read and manage these OverDrive ebook files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange OTE formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. Users encounter OTE files when downloading eBooks through OverDrive, a digital distribution service for libraries and schools. The file acts as a license or ticket, which the OverDrive Media Console or Libby App uses to download the actual protected ebook content for a limited borrowing period. The OTE file is not the ebook itself, but a small XML-based metadata file. It was designed as a secure fulfillment token containing a URL and user-specific license information. This lightweight design allows the main application to manage the secure download of the much larger DRM-protected ebook file. This OTE file is handled by the industry-standard tool OverDrive Libby from OverDrive Inc. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows can't interpret features like reflow or tables of contents, so full functionality requires a reader. Start by right-clicking the OTE file and selecting Open with Test OverDrive Libby first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some OTE files are very particular about the opener. If the OTE file won't open, don't panic. Because your OTE file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, writing in Libby App. Install the Libby app from OverDrive on your phone, tablet, or computer, and sign in with your library card credentials. Borrowed ebooks appear automatically in your shelf, where the OTE content streams or downloads for offline reading. Libby provides reading features like adjustable text size bookmarks and progress sync across devices. Next, using OverDrive Read. Access borrowed ebooks through OverDrive Read in your web browser at your library's OverDrive site. Browser-based reading requires no app installation working on any device with a modern browser. Sign in with your library card to access borrowed content with reading features and automatic position sync across browser sessions. Finally, transferring to e-readers. For Kindle-compatible OTE titles, use the Send to Kindle option in OverDrive after borrowing, which delivers the book to your Amazon account for reading on Kindle devices. EPUB-based titles transfer to Kobo and other e-readers through Adobe Digital Editions, following the library's checkout instructions for compatible reader devices. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.